Hi everyone, in this video we are going to be showing you how to install a large graphic onto a flat surface. So right here I've got a sheet of coroplast that I just tacked up on the wall. This would apply as well for a window, any kind of a signboard, trailer, any kind of a flat surface where you would want to apply a graphic. First thing, we're just going to clean the surface, alcohol, water solution, spray it down, and wipe it with a paper towel. Pretty straightforward. Next, masking tape. And what I like to do is get a couple of pieces pre-cut. And then when we get our graphic, then we can just get that guy tacked up there and easy to work with. This is just a scrap piece that we had laying around the shop. I'm just going to tack that corner up there. This piece of vinyl is roughly about 6 feet long, 4.5 feet tall. So then we're just going to go back with our little tape spots, and then you can adjust it for height and location after you get that first couple of pieces. So I have it now where I want it. The next step is we're going to use the masking tape again. And I'm right-handed, so I like to work off of the right side first. So I'm going to put this tape further to the right, and you'll see why here in a minute. And then I'm going to come down on the bottom and run another chunk of vinyl or decal down onto the wall, like so. So once you have that done, you're going to want a scissors and a squeegee. We're just going to simply remove that piece of tape, separate the vinyl from the backing. This can be a little bit tedious just to get it started, but once it's started, it will hopefully peel back a little bit easier. I'm using our 3M control tack, but our high performance would work great for this as well. Our calendared vinyl is going to be more of a temporary outdoor use material. You could work with it on an application like this, but it would just be a temporary deal. So we're going to take our scissors once we've got it peeled back to our tape line. We're just going to cut that paper off. Then we're going to come back, and with our left hand, we're going to hold the top corner of the decal away from the surface, and then we're going to take our squeegee and just push it in the middle here, and make nice, easy passes. Up and down. There I had a little wrinkle. I peeled it back up. And then just keep on going. Also, when I'm making my passes, I'm only using about 1 inch of the squeegee. A lot of times your tendency is you want to use that whole width, and then that's where you're going to get a wrinkle. So again, we can peel that up and then just take little 1 inch passes. Then you're just going to continue going all the way. Like so. And finish it off. Next step, remove your hinge pieces of tape. And then remove this corner piece of tape. And then I like to roll the remainder of the material back on itself, as it's just easier to handle. And then that's going to expose our cut edge of the vinyl. So then we can just peel back, exposing that adhesive. And then with my left hand, I'm going to hold that paper and the roll of my vinyl, and then just repeat the process. So again, start in the middle. Nice 1 inch chunks back and forth. Continue on. Now I've got to the where my material is hitting the paper, so I'm just going to unroll. Pull that back more, again pinching the paper and that roll of vinyl. Flip it back over. Keep on going. So there you have it, installing a large graphic onto a flat surface. Hopefully that shows how actually easy it is to handle with those couple little tips and tricks. Thanks.